In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to use our Web Call Preview feature. With Web Call Preview, you can test your AI assistant directly from your browser without needing a phone or a Twilio number. This feature lets you have a live voice conversation with your AI assistant right from the Call Agent AI dashboard. It's the fastest way to test how your assistant sounds, responds, and handles conversations before deploying it to real callers. This allows you to verify that your assistant works exactly the way you want and to hear the exact voice and personality your callers will experience through a web call. To get started, log into the Call Agent AI dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to your assistant. If you want to test a specific assistant, open it and start testing. Click on the Hear the AI in Action button. This allows you to interact with your assistant through a web call without needing a phone number. When you press this button, you can start a conversation and connect with your assistant directly from Call Agent AI without using any other platform. Now I'm going to make a short call with the StarTech assistant Amy to show you how it works.
Hi, this is Amy from StarTech Support. How can I be of assistance?
Hi Amy, I'd like to know more about your services.
Sure thing. We offer a few services. We do computer diagnosis for $40, disk drive replacements for $80, and computer reformatting for $100. Is there a specific service you're interested in, or do you have a particular issue with your device?
I'm interested in the computer diagnostics service. How do you handle customers, and can you help me book an appointment?
We offer a computer diagnosis service for $40. Essentially, we'll take a close look at your computer to figure out what's causing the issues. And yes, I can absolutely help you book an appointment for that. Could I get your email address to get started?
Sure, my email is umar1@gmail.com.
Thanks for providing that. Just a moment while I enter it into our system. Could you also please share your phone number so I can check for any existing appointments?
From here, you can start using the Web Call Preview feature and interact with your assistant, just like in this demo. You can also view the live conversation in real time, showing exactly what the assistant asks and what the user says. For example, you can see the question asked during the call, and the assistant's response displayed clearly in the conversation view. And that's how you can quickly test your AI assistant using Web Call Preview before going live.